journey. First the institutional competition, then the zonal competition, and now the national competition. In the zonal competition, most of those institutes at their own level, they select the students, then they come to the zonal level. We have 4 zones, north zone, south zone, east zone, west zone. So these 4 zones, those selected students will come into the zonal quiz, and there will get selected 1 from each zone, and that team will represent the national quiz. So we have with us today 4 teams representing the 4 zones of this country. Okay, so north zone, the team from the north zone, that's team A. It's team A, and then from which zone? West zone. We have west zone, that's team B, and then east zone from Bhubaneswar. Okay, and then we have south from Pondicherry. Right? These are 4 teams with us, A, B, C, and D. So we have simplified this quiz. You'll be having.
Loudly. Say your answer loudly as much as you can.
So, as we know, we have some 5 rounds in it. The first round will be from your unit first and unit second. Second round will be from, it will be all multiple choice questions. Second round will be from your second, third and fourth units. Then we will have one buzzer. Then one round will be from your clinical physiology. And then last will be your rapid round. Okay? So you can pass the questions. Every question will you carry 10 marks, and pass for 5 marks. Judges please. Okay, pass marks 5. Okay, if it is wrong, then -5. If it is wrong, then -5. Right? If you are just selecting the buzzer, okay, and if you fail to answer right or you fail to answer itself, it means -10. It means -10 because you are blocking others to get the chance. So in that case, if you answer right, you will get the 10 marks. If you do not answer at all, again -10. If you answer wrongly, -10. Is it clear to you? Right? So then we'll have a rapid round that will be taken by Dr. Uwais. This way we will try to conclude it very efficiently. But at the outset I will mention over here, this quiz will not be an easy task for all of you, because you have come from a national competition. Okay, so it will not be so easy for you. National competition, that means its standard will be a bit, I can say, on a higher side. Particularly on the buzzer side, you must be very cautious about that. If you just blow your buzzer and all that, but be sure that you are able to answer those questions. Unnecessarily don't block the things there. Sir, anything? We'll hear from the president of the SAPI, please.
You are telling that if they don't answer,
Yeah.
the question will be passed.
But it's a buzzer. It's a buzzer. Buzzer round -10 होगा जो राउंड जवाब नहीं देगा तो माइनस होगा. हाँ, वही होता है सर, क्योंकि बजर इसने दबाया तो इसका मतलब है ये देगा जवाब. इसने उसको भी ब्लॉक किया, उसको भी ब्लॉक किया, उसको भी ब्लॉक किया. अभी जवाब बजर राउंड तो वो इसकी गलती नहीं. बाकी में कुछ नहीं, बाकी में सिर्फ -5 +5 सिर्फ बजर में. क्योंकि बजर में ना वो एग्जैक्टली वो तो दूसरे को मौका ही छीन लेता है. एग्जैक्टली राइट सर. Clear to everyone?
How many pass will be there?
It will be -1. If there are 4 teams, it will go from first, second, and third, no fourth. That's their rule.
Only 3 people.
Only 3. First, it will pass to the second, pass to the third, not to the fourth.
So the third team.
B team gives, it will pass to the C, it will pass to the D, not to the A. If A gives, A misses, it will pass on to the B and to the C, not to the D.
It is a multiple choice type, sir.
It is multiple choice.
No, then the last team, the C team gets the 50% option only. Only 2 correct answers they have to get.
This team doesn't answer, or it answers the wrong one, it will go to the B team. Again, if it fails, then it goes to the...
So they get only 3 answers from which to choose, no, sir, because he has already given a wrong answer.
Right?
And if the B team also gives a wrong answer, then third team gets only 2 answers to choose from.
That 2 is okay. It has again 2 there, no? It has a choice to either wrong or right.
One pass, sir. Single pass is what is just one pass.
Sir, then it should not pass, sir.
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे जाएगा बट यदि ए टीम पास करता है तो बी टीम को दैट क्वेश्चन विल कम टू
Sir, if they
वो तो होगा ही होगा, सी को नहीं जाएगा।
पर यदि गलत बोल दिया ए
तो
टीम
पास
ने
वो तो पास होना ही नहीं है ना, वो तो पास नहीं होना। अगर इसने जवाब नहीं दिया, ठीक है, तब इट विल बी पास पास वन इसको हो जाएगा ना, तो इसने जवाब दिया नहीं, अगर इसे गलत जवाब दिया तो इसका मार्क इसका ठीक है, आगे तो नहीं जाएगा ना।
how much time they will get to answer?
30 seconds, 30 seconds, 30 seconds।
गलत जवाब देने पे पास नहीं होगा।
कैसे होगा? तो हो गया, तो डेड हो गया सवाल।
First team will get 30 seconds. Second team pass that team
Immediately 5 seconds only.
5 seconds.
5 seconds. Sir, English sir, आपका जो इशू है, you please discuss it yourself.
सिमन मैम का चेंज करने का आप कह रहे थे ना, इनको चेंज उनकी जगह पे किसी को करना।
टाइमर बहुत अच्छा है इसका।
एक्चुअली सर को इनको कुछ कंप्लेन कर
आसिफ उधर वो भेज दो ना उसको,
मैम को तो कोई
सुमायरा को भेज दो।
किसको रखे फिर?
हाँ, सुमायरा यही है। कहते हैं ना उस बियल टाइम बेटा आप टाइम बाकी दबाओ दिया ठीक है, हमें उससे कोई It's okay now. Even says after
That's okay.
this team, it is visible, your screen is visible. Okay. Any difficulty with the teams? Are they ready? Every team is ready here?
The buzzer on how much time we will be getting after pressing the buzzer.
Again, those 30 seconds, not more than that. 30 seconds. 30 seconds.
Sir, if we answer the question before the completion of the question itself, will we be disqualified or it will be okay?
If you answer,
If we answer the question in the buzzer round before completing the question, will it be okay?
why you will answer before the question? To whom question you will answer when it is not complete? How you can, do you profess things? When the question is not complete, how you are going to answer that question? I don't know. Is it something you have that whimsical sense? So then again I will mention that out of the team, 2 candidates are there, I mean 2 candidates are there. Let only one speak, let only one answer, okay? It's not that both will answer, okay? One will answer, you have 30 seconds to discuss among you, that you can answer, okay? One among you will answer. Is it okay? सब ठीक है? कोई दिक्कत तो नहीं है किसी को? Shall we start it? आसिफ, लाइट बंद कर लेना। So it will be round first. The multiple question will be okay. So the first question will move to A team, team A. The question goes here. Which of the following cells become more prevalent in blood during the prolonged period of erythropoietin secretion? Team A. You have 30 seconds with you.
Answer is
A. Platelets.
Answer A, platelets, it's wrong. Can you please have the answer of this? It's reticulocytes. So the wrong. Now the next question goes to team B. Anticoagulant used for blood glucose estimation is?
Fluoride.
Fluoride. Okay, it's correct. Fluoride is the correct. Okay, I was just looking for one paper. This has been now questioned. We see this fluoride is okay, but now it has been questioned by many of the researchers. Recent reports are there. It doesn't have much of, role to play in basically that blocking of that enzyme and enolase. Okay, so now onwards. Otherwise, we know it's fluoride. So it's the correct answer. The third question will go to the team C, please. What type of neuron the retina of an eye contains?
Bipolar.
Bipolar, it's correct. For team D, the question is here. Bundles of nerve fibers within the central nervous system are called?
option A, tracks.
Tracks is correct. The first set within the round one is complete. Okay, we'll have one more set.
Professor Zohar,
Yes.
please after each question tell how much marks that team has scored. Whether 10 or points, how many they have scored. Whether it's a duty of a quiz master to tell how many points they have scored. I mean
Each team scored how many marks it can
Of the first round or second round and third round.
Yeah.
And you will.
Once the question is
the question is
correct answer is there, you tell 10 marks.
It is there. It has already been mentioned there. Every question will mark.
It's a duty of quiz master to tell.
Okay. So set 2 again. You will get one more question. Every team will get a question. Every question will carry 10 marks. Okay. If it is wrong, -5. Right? Somebody? Okay. Set 2 then. Ashit, please go ahead. The site of synthesis of von Willebrand factor is question for team A.
Answer B, endothelium.
Endothelium is correct answer, so he gets 10 marks. So question again for team B. When the cells are unable to utilize available oxygen, the condition is called? Team B. Ambient anosmia. Oh, it's strong answer, so -5. It's a histotoxic hypoxia. Then question for team C. Quantitatively, the most important form of carbon dioxide transport is?
Bicarbonate in plasma.
It's again wrong. So -5 over here. It's bicarbonate in RBCs or carbonic anhydrase here. Okay. So now for team D, the question is here. The major stimulus for the rumination is the contact of wall of reticulum with?
Option B, roughages.
Correct answer. So you get 10 marks there. So set 2 is again completed. Now we'll move towards the set 3. So first question goes to the team. First A, team A. Question is here. Which of the following hormones stimulates acid secretion from the proventriculus of birds? It's a local hormone.
Option C, gastric.
Option
C.
C, gastric is correct. They get first 10. Second question to team B. The reflex closure of reticular groove in sheep can be achieved by the administration of
Copper sulfate.
copper sulfate is correct answer. So they get 10 marks over here. Question for team C. Depolarizing grading potential is induced by
Acetylcholine and glutamate.
acetylcholine and
Glutamate.
it is C. Correct. Correct. You get 10 marks. Question for team D. Glucose and amino acid resorption takes place through which of the portion of a kidney tubule?
Option A, proximal.
Very good. Correct answer. So they get 10 marks over here. So we'll move to the set 4. This will be the last set probably. Okay. Of the round. This is the non-traditional neurotransmitter nitric oxide is synthesized from Team A. Team A.
Option C, arginine.
Arginine is correct answer. So you get the 10 marks there. Question for team B. The cells located between the macula densa and arterioles are known as
Lucky cell.
Laker cells. Correct answer. Correct answer. 10 marks. This was not easy question. Really, this was not an easy question. Congratulations to the team B. You have secured 10 marks over here. So question goes to the team C. The GFR is increased by
Activation of RAS.
it is D. Okay, it's correct. You get 10 marks there. Question for team D. The short-term accumulation to high altitude hypoxia involves
Option A, increase in concentration of 2,3 dpg.
Oh, it's wrong answer. Right? Increase, it's in the chemosensitivity of the glomal cells. Right? So you get -5 marks. Because D. Right? So I think it's now complete. Round 1 is complete. Round 1 is complete. The judges can make a score of it.
At the end of round first, all the teams have scored 25 marks each.
My God. All the teams are 25. Good. Very good. So, a hard competition over here. So, we'll move to round 2. That will be units 3rd and 4. Again, multiple choices. The same rules will be there. No change. So, Asif, please. So, round 2nd. The first question will go towards the team A. Set 1. First question, yes. Total potency of sheep blastomeres is maintained up to which stage? In case of sheep. Total potency.
Option C, 8 stage.
Correct answer. You get 10 marks here. For team B question, the substance that selectively inhibits mitotic activity of specific cells is
Callow.
very correct correct answer C. It's correct answer. Again, I congratulate you. It was not an easy question for you. You get 10 marks there. Then team C. Question for team C. Spraying urine and marking behavior in canines indicates what type of behavior?
Rivalry.
Correct answer B. Rivalry. It's correct one. So you get 10 marks here. Question for team D. Brain area mainly involved in the aggressive behavior is?
Option C, amygdala.
Correct answer. So again get 10 marks there. Very tough competition between the teams. I think set 1 is over. We'll move to the set 2. The first question will go to the team A. If exposed to neonat for few days, he will usually accept them. This is known as?
Option A, concavation.
Very nice, very nice. Correct answer, you get 10 marks here. Question for team B. Fret call is a type of behavior observed in which species?
Calf.
No, it's wrong. So you get minus. It's dog. Question for team C. Pick out the allometric growth from the following. Allometric growth.
Growth of mammary glands.
Very correct. B. Growth of mammary glands. So you get 10 points there. Question for team D. Which of the following animals has the lowest heat tolerance?
Option B, pig.
Yes, correct one. So you get 10 marks there. So set 2 is again over. We'll move to the set 3 now. The question first goes to the team A, please. The major site of sperm storage is?
Option C, cordyceps.
Cordyceps, that's correct one. You get 10 marks there. Next question will move towards the team B. The rhythm shorter than the circadian rhythm. That's called as? Okay, we'll skip this. इसमें आंसर आ गया। ओवैस ए आसिफ, इसमें पहले ही आंसर आ गया। आपका कोई और ऑप्शन है उधर? हाँ, ये आवाज आ रही है आसिफ?
Sir, you can put one extra question.
एक मिनट पहले उससे बात करने दीजिए। आवाज आ रही है? So आप इसको क्या करें? इसका बैकअप क्वेश्चन है, लेकिन वो फाइल बदलनी पड़ेगी। ठीक है, वो फाइल बदलनी पड़ेगी। So that will be at the end. That will be at the end. Okay, we'll move. So दूसरी फाइल हमें लगानी पड़ेगी। So it has been missed by team B. हाँ, मतलब है आपके पास रेडी वर्क? दे दीजिए, आइए जल्दी से लिख के ही दे दो यार।
इसके सर आगे कीजिए, सेकंड इसको बना नेक्स्ट।
नहीं, वो डिस्टर्ब हो जाएंगे और इंतजार करेंगे। टीम सी। Okay, question for team C. Tendency for female rodents to terminate their pregnancy following exposure to the unfamiliar male.
Bruce effect.
It's correct one. You get 10 marks there. Bruce effect. Team C. Question for team D. Which hormone induces the gene expression in mammary tissue for casein synthesis?
Option A, prolactin.
It's correct one, prolactin. So you get 10 marks there. I think this set is complete. You give one question for team B. हाथ में ही लिख के दे दो यार.
नहीं, आप बात नहीं कर सकते. Please don't discuss. You cannot discuss, please.
One sir. At last, it's not available here. Okay, you make it there. तो बताओ भाई मेरे पास मल्टीपल चॉइस कहाँ है? मैं क्या छिपाया ये मल्टीपल चॉइस? 10% कुछ प्रश्न बनाओ. हाँ ठीक है, बनाओ तो उसमें क्या लगेगा? You'll have to wait, please. हाथ से ही लिख के दे दो, हाथ से कोई बात नहीं. आराम से, कोई बात नहीं, आराम से यार, कोई ऐसे So for team B, the question is short-term adaptive response is called. You have 4 options with you: the acclimatization, adaptation, or none. Acclimatization, adaptation, or none.
Acclimation first.
Acclimation is correct answer. So you get 10 marks there. So we'll move to the set 3. Asif? Set 4. Are you ready dear? Go ahead.
What is the score, please, at the end of round 2?
No score yet. No score yet. Let us round.
Sir, one set is remaining, sir. After fourth set, we will send the cumulative score and as well as the round 2 score.
Set 4, yes, this is which hormone induces gene activation? Set 4, please. Question goes to most constant and variable component of milk is for team A.
Option C, lactose and fat.
Lactose and fat, that's option C. That's correct. That's correct one. You get 10 marks dear. Then question for team B. The quantity of juxtamedullary nephrons in the kidney is about which percentages? In case of cable, juxtamedullary nephrons. For team B, $25 means C.
Yes, sir.
It's wrong, okay? It's 35%. At the highest, because it's a desert able, right? So juxtamedullary must be there more rather than the cortical. So minus 5 marks there. Then for question for team C, In ruminants, the agent for the maternal recognition of pregnancy is
Interferon tau. C
interferon tau C. That's correct answer. You get 10 marks there. For team D, more melanin pigmentation in warm and humid climate is which rule?
Option B, Clogger's rule.
It's A, Bergman's rule. So you have minus 5 marks there. So this set is over. I think this round is also over.
Yes.
Asif, this round is over.
Yeah, this is over.
This round is done, sir.
So,
Okay, done. Change it, yeah.
at the end of this round, in this round, Team A has scored 40 points, Team B 10 points, Team C 40, and Team D 25. So cumulative of these two rounds, Team A has scored 65 in cumulative, Team B 35, Team C 65, and Team D 50.
So you have tie between the two.
Yes, tie is there.
There's tie between
A and C.
Team A and C. Okay. So we'll have now a buzzer round. That will be Jaldi Bhai. It will be a buzzer round. It will be an audio visual. Say this will be a game changer over here. Because it's sure.
Professor Zohar, do we have a demo question for this or directly you will go?
Demo? What do you mean by
First
demo?
question should be a demo question.
No, it's not like that.
It's not there.
It's not like that. Say it's a buzzer question you have with you, the buzzer. You will just, if you are able to answer it, okay, then only you push it. Okay? We won't have the sound here. There has been some trouble with it, but only light will be there. That light will glow from the team which it presses, the first team that presses, that light will come. Then no light will come there. Okay? So that will be the first team. So it is now up to you. You have either 10 plus or you are either 10 or 10 minus or plus, right? So be very cautious about that, and it will be, tricky questions will be there.
Sir, for educational light, anybody we have to keep there?
Light
के लिए सर
सर जजेस बैठे हैं ना, आपको लाइट देखना है, ठीक है ना? जो लाइट पहले ही बजे, एक ही लाइट बजेगी यार, और कुछ नहीं बजेगा।
एक बार चेक करवा दीजिए।
अरे एक बार चेक कर लिया भाई, दबा दीजिए। रिसेट कर लो भाई।
देखो चल रहा है।
चल रहा है, एक ही चल रहा है।
Just don't use it continuously, ना? Just
नहीं भाई, एक बार पुश कर लीजिए, छोड़ दीजिए, ठीक है? दबा दीजिए, सब इकट्ठे दबा दीजिए। एक ही का चला।
Yes, not working.
रिसेट कर लो बेटा इसको।
चेक करवा दीजिए, सबका अलग
हो गया, सबका हो गया।
Individually check it. Just hold. Wait. Team C, can you check it, please? Okay. Team B, can you check it? Team A, it's working.
It's okay. Right. So move on. So this first question will be for all the teams. Okay. The first question. So name the procedure being done.
Team A has questions.
Team A.
Echocardiography.
Echocardiography is correct one. So you get 10 marks there. Very nice.
Just don't press it, ना?
बस एक बार किया ना, छोड़ दीजिए. Next. Name the response. A again.
It's Flehmen response.
Very nice. You get 10 marks there again. Reset it, please. Again. Asif. Yes. Go ahead immediately. You will have to see number 1 and number 2, what you can fill there.
Team C.
Team C.
Renin and 2 is Rena. Angiotensin converting enzyme.
Angiotensin.
Converting enzyme.
First is
Renin.
correct one. Correct. You get 10 marks. You get 10 marks there. Next question. Name the cells with arrow. Lower one. Team B. Team B. Team B, you have 30 seconds with you.
Germinal epithelium.
Yes?
Germinal epithelium.
It's wrong, you get minus 10. It's Leydig cells. You get minus 10 there. B team. Now next question, Asif please. Team A. Answer the 1 and 2. What could be there?
First is phospholipase A2
Very good.
and second is cyclooxygenase enzyme.
Very good. You get 10 marks there. Wow.
Sir, where is the buzzer?
No buzzer is there, light is there only. No buzzer. Light is there, light. So, we'll move to the next question. Is it okay? Teams? Okay. Asif, go ahead. Name the structure with arrow. B. Team B. Yeah, 30 seconds with you. Either plus 10 or minus 10.
Bursa fabricus.
No, yaar, it's uterus. Okay. So minus 10 again over here. Question again. One more question, Asif. He has named the item with the arrows and their uses.
Team C.
Team C. Team C, you have 30 seconds with you to answer this question.
Stimulation screen, it is used to keep the instruments and protect it from air and temperature.
No, I mean the 2 or there 1 and 2. What are those? What is 1? What is 2?
Wet and dry bulb thermometer, 1 and 2 is Stevenson screen.
Stevenson screen.
Stevenson screen.
Okay, it is Stevenson screen. It's correct answer. Okay. Yeah, minimum maximum thermometer inside a Stevenson screen used in measuring the minimum maximum temperatures. That you got 10 marks.
They told the wet and dry bulb thermometer. They are not, they didn't tell maximum and minimum. They tell wet and dry.
Wet and dry.
Yeah.
So they will get only minus 5 because one question is okay. They will get only minus 5, not minus 10. Correct? One more question goes ahead. Asif?
Sir,
Yes?
can you hear me, sir?
Yeah.
Wet and dry is a different story, sir. 6 is minimum and maximum, it is another story. There are two different things, sir.
Yes, we have made it a minus 5, not plus 10.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
So next question.
Team B.
Team? D, please. What's 1 and what's 2?
First,
You get 30 seconds only.
first is theca interna, 2 is granulosa cell.
Very good. Correct answer. You get first 10. Next, Asif. Identify the structure and name the team. Team A, B. What's it with the arrow? What is that structure? Can you name that? Yeah, 30 seconds with you. बजर तो बजा दिया, जवाब ही दो, टाइम भी गया, तो -10, ठीक है? Anybody among the teams, we will not just give any mark to it, but anybody from the teams?
Stria vascularis cells.
Yes?
Stria vascularis.
No. It's organ of Corti.
But the cell.
Cell is a air cell. Okay. Asif, move ahead. Recognize the personality. C.
Varghese Kurian.
Very good. Nice, you get 10 marks there. Move ahead.
There is one more person added to it, it is contribution.
मैं पता है. Who is this man?
Milkman of India.
Father of White Revolution or Milk Revolution in India. Next, go ahead please. Name the process and the structure with arrow.
Team D.
Team D. You get 30 seconds. What's this process and what is this arrow?
DNA transcription.
Then arrow. That's the process. What is the structure of this arrow?
It's a gene code.
Time is over. You get only 5 marks. It was a 10. He has given only one answer, right answer, and other is yes, please. It's a sense code. Anti-sense and sense, right?
5 marks.
5 marks only. Okay, go ahead, please. One more question there. State the chemical nature of the messenger.
Team D.
Team D. What's the chemical nature of this messenger? It's a chemical messenger.
Steroid nature.
No, it's wrong. So you get minus 10. It's a protein. There is a membrane receptor. Citrate will go inside the cell. Protein will not go. So it will bind to the cell membrane. So it's a peptide or a protein. So next question, ask it please.
B.
What could be at the arrow?
Team B.
Team B. It's clear there. हाँ जी
Beta.
रॉन्ग अगेन ये मेम्ब्रेन से बाउंड है और ये एटीपी को कहाँ करती है चेंज सीएमपी एडिनाइल साइक्लेज करेक्ट सो इट इज minus 10 marks over for team B. Next question, Asif. Name the cell with arrows. Name the cell with arrows. A. Yeah, 30 seconds with you.
Astrocytes.
Very good. Astrocytes. What's the function of these astrocytes?
They contribute in the formation of blood-brain barrier.
Very nice, very nice. 10 marks to team A. Team A बहुत आगे जा रही है. Very good. Next question. C. Identify the structure and name the part with arrow. C.
Rod cells and ganglion cells. Rod cells.
What is
The
this?
lower one is rod.
What is the structure? We don't mean rod cells. What is the structure? What was the arrow? Arrow downwards. This arrow.
Downward arrow is
This arrow and the whole structure. Time is over, so you get minus 10. Okay? Asif, it's simply a retinal structure, right? Then you have a choroid there. Next question. A. Identify this structure and name the part with arrow.
The smooth muscle, dense bodies.
It's smooth muscle, but it's not dense body. Dense body cannot be outside the smooth muscle.
No.
So you won't get any mark. Okay? He has given one answer, but he has given again one wrong. So it becomes a neutral over here. So it became 0 marks. Right, sir? Judges, please. No marks, 0.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Next question. Identify the structure with arrow.
C.
C.
filtration sleeves and podocytes with bone cells.
Very good. Very good. Very good. It's a podocyte. Not easy to recognize it. Very nice. 10 marks to team C. Next, Asif. Name the behavior. A, please. Can you identify this behavior?
So this behavior is brooding behavior or natural incubation.
No, it's not like that. That's not a behavior actually. It's a fixed pattern behavior. What you name as instincts.
Imprinting.
No, it's not imprinting. Imprinting is something, it's unlearned. It's an instinct. Okay, they don't learn it. Okay, so it's a fixed pattern. So -10 to team A. Next, name the type of learning. Team A or the conditioning.
Operant condition.
Correct. It's operant conditioning. So you get plus 10 marks. Team A plus 10 marks. Good. Any more, Asif?
We are done
So,
with this round, sir.
oh, this is over?
We are done with this round.
Okay, very good, very good. So this round is again completed. This was the tricky one. I think we will hear from the judges. Cumulative score. Yes, we'll wait. Let us hear the scores from the judge, then we will move ahead.
It's 5.
Well, at the end of this round, the score for this round, Team A has scored 30. Team B has scored -30 in this round. Team C 15 and Team D 5. So cumulative
40, sir.
for
Team A is 40, sir.
No, it's not 40.
Yes, sir.
they scored 50 and -20. 50 minus 20 is 30.
One was zero.
It's up to the judge. I don't have anything to do with it. Let them decide. They are 4 there. You are 2 only there.
Just one. Only one round. You will dominate.
Just a minute, sir. Sir,
Or if you can clear, you just.
Sir, I am from another team. I am from the South India team. They are from North and this. But what they say is correct. Team A has got +40. Team B has got -40. And Team C has got +50.
Team A has
and Team
answered
D
5 questions rightly and 2 questions wrongly, and one was just 0.
Is it that 4 judges have the same score?
Yeah.
So we will take that. We will honor the score of the judges, okay? Because they are 4 there.
I'll tell you, sir. They have answered 1, 2,
No,
3.
I don't know that.
4, 5.
I don't know that. That's the judges are there. They are there. Jury is for that.
Sir, they have answered 5.
So we will honor the jury.
One question
Sir,
wrongly and one
sir,
question
maybe
is 0.
other team accompanying person may be asked, sir, what they are saying. Like he has said.
Sir, I am not from either of the teams. I am neither from the North Zone or East Zone.
Round 1 question 0 marks.
So you can just consult that.
That the crowd should talk. The judgment is of the judges and that is fine.
Okay. At the end of round 3, the cumulative score for Team A is 95, Team B is 5, Team C is 80, and Team D 55.
Before we move ahead, I will humbly request Professor Sonveer Singh, Professor Bhattacharya ji, and then Professor Ginandar ji. Please, आप तीनों यहाँ से खड़ा तो हो जाइए प्लीज. आप सर भट्टाचार्य जी सर, आप खड़ा हो जाइए. आप तीनों पोस्टर सेशन, हमारा एक स्पेशल सेशन है, दैट्स फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ J&K. प्लीज यू जस्ट स्कोर दोस posters. They are from different fields. It's not only veterinary, okay? It's from every but a biological field, maybe biotechnology, bioengineering, even medical, even veterinary, anything. So you will please evaluate them, you will score them. So I want you to judge those, because they are all from J&K and Ladakh. So you will be the best judges for them. Please do the favor. Please do the favor. You can move with Dilruba so that we can conclude this immediately and we can have the valedictory at time. So round 4. Should we start with round 4?
Judges may sit a little separately. Instead of being together, you should sit a little separately.
We have put 7 chairs there
So that
for 4.
there is no element of this which has come up from the ground. But sit
So
a
you
little
can be
separate.
separate. Okay, that's good. You be separate, then we can just have sum up of all those 4. एक साथ बैठने में कहते हैं थोड़ा सा गड़बड़ होता है. तो थोड़ा सा आप ज़्यादा कोई सोच समझ के तो नहीं.
Not like that.
मतलब
टीम
मेरे लिए तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है भाई, ये तो टीम के लिए.
Sir, Bumper sir.
हाँ जी.
Sir, can we have the scores again? Can we have the scores again, please?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Why not? Why not?
The cumulative scores, the team A 95 points, team B 5 points, team C 80 points, and team D 55 points at the end of round 3. Sir, from this
Cumulative, it's cumulative ones?
this is cumulative score.
Okay, cumulative.
Fourth position at the end of round 3.
Okay.
Again, once again I am telling you, team A 95, team B 5,
Okay.
team C 80 points,
Okay.
and team D 55 points.
Okay, so leading is team A.
Yes, sir. Sir, I am having one query. So from this, they have to select the first.
No, it's not like that. We are not made like that.
Okay, sir.
You please keep with us.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
It's not that we have followed all your instructions there.
Okay, sir. Then go ahead, sir, please.
Okay, this round is a clinical physiology. Okay, so you will get the questions from the clinical side, right? So you will have to answer. Asif, please go ahead. It will go to the teams separately. Each question will go to each team, carrying 10 marks. If wrong, minus. Okay, the rule remains the same. Go ahead, please, Asif. Set 1. The question for our team A. Detroit sick syndrome is characterized by Detroit sick syndrome. Yeah, 30 seconds with you. Time is over. Time is over. You can pass to the team B within 5 seconds.
D.
C. Decrease in serum T4 and increase in T3.
Sir, D.
Answer D.
Answer D. Sir.
D. Okay, it's wrong then. C is there. Right? Minus 5, sir.
Minus 5.
Minus 5. Is it okay?
For team B.
For team B.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now question to the team B itself. Okay, your own question. Question to team B. A person with eosinophilia is most likely suffering from which disease?
Parasitism.
Parasitism. Correct. So you get 10 marks. You get? इसको रखो ना माइक के सामने साथ रखो ना, कोई सुनना ही ना.
Yes, sir.
You get 10 marks. That's correct one. Question for team C. Metabolic acidosis occurs in accept
diuresis.
Very nice. This is B, right?
B.
B. Okay, diuresis. So you get 10 marks plus 10 for team C. Question for team D. Chronic, नहीं गड़बड़ हो रहा, गड़बड़ हो गया भाई, आपका दब गया ज़्यादा.
Slowly. Please keep it slowly.
Chronic blood loss leads to, हाँ ये वही है, नहीं ये तो चेंज कर लो भाई, ये चेंज कर लो.
Deficiency of folic acid leads to which type of anemia?
Yes.
Deficiency of
folic acid leads to which type of anemia?
There are 4 options.
Yes.
4 options they are before you.
Right.
1 microcytic anemia.
Correct.
Megaloblastic
And
megaloblastic anemia. Symptocytosis is there.
okay.
Then blood loss anemia.
Megaloblastic anemia.
Megaloblastic anemia.
Right.
So it was for team D. It was question for team D. So is this set complete?
Yes sir.
Okay. We can move to the next set.
Yes sir.
Okay. So they get 10 plus. Okay. Set 2. First question goes to team A, in which bleeding disease splenectomy is recommended. Spleen निकालना किसमें recommended है? Is it team A? 30 seconds you have with you. बड़ा आसान है. Time is over. So they have not answered it. So they have not scored it. It can pass to team B within 5 seconds. Pass. It can pass to C. 3 seconds. Okay. So none has given the answer. So it is a thrombocytopenia in platelets. Okay. You can remove the spleen because that is the graveyard for all these. Okay, we can move to the other question. Ketone bodies in the urine can be qualitatively detected by a practical सबको आना चाहिए.
Root B.
Yes.
B.
B. Oh, correct answer. So B is correct answer. So far it was B team. So 10 marks B team. Next question goes to team C. Hypersecretion of glucocorticoids leads to which type of disease?
Cushing syndrome.
Very good. C. Correct answer. You get 10 marks there. Question for team D. Hashimoto's disease is an autoimmune disorder.
Option B, thyroid gland.
Thyroid gland. Correct one. 10 marks. Then again, set. This set is over?
Yes sir.
Okay, next set. Set 3. Question for team A. Nitrate poisoning leads to the formation of wet hemoglobin. Can be reversed by?
Option D, methylene blue.
Correct one. That's correct. So you get 10 marks there. Team A 10 marks. Question for team B. Milk fever in dairy animals can be managed by? Very easy.
A.
Yes?
A.
A. सर ऊंचे से बोलिए ना. चल नहीं रही.
चल नहीं रहा सर.
इसको ये करो. So team
A.
A. Okay, team B correct one. So team B gets 10 marks there. Question for team C. Deficiency of dopamine leads to?
Parkinson's disease.
Very good. So you get 10 marks there. Question for team D. What does the depression of ST segment depict? Choreography.
Option D, myocardial attack.
No, it's ischemia, right? Where there is a depression of ST segment. So you get minus 5 marks. Is this set over? Any set more, Asif?
No, sir, we are done.
We are done. So we'll have now rapid round.
Rapid fire.
Okay, before that we will have the scores from the judges. That round, rapid round will be taken by Owas, Dr. Owas. Please. Every team will get 1 minute. Is it so? Yes, sir. 1 minute, and it's up to the team how many those questions it can have. Okay, depending upon their efficiency. Okay. So, gents, they will get 1 minute each team, and it will be put to the yes and no questions, right? And you have to answer them. And you can attempt any the quantity of those questions. Maybe 10, maybe 5, maybe 20. I don't know. Okay? So you have to give answer into yes and no. For each correct, you will get 10 marks. For each wrong, they will get minus 5. For each correct, they will get 10, and for each wrong, they will get minus 5. Is it clear to everyone?
Sir, if we are not knowing the answer, then we can say pass.
Yeah, you can have one more question. You can have one more question. So you will answer it into true or false. True or false. He will say right or wrong. No, judges, you will keep that in mind, that when it is put to the question to the team, it will say true or wrong. If it is right, they will say right. Okay? Or if it is wrong, he will say wrong. So you will have to, that way you will have to mark those marks. Okay? Plus 10 or minus 5. Is it okay? They will get, yes? 1 minute, 30 seconds. 30
Maximum question.
60 seconds, sir. 60 seconds. 60 seconds. So if they pass one question, again you have to read it.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, you please make your point.
Yes, in 1 minute they can answer as maximum.
As maximum. No issue.
So now the scores are ready. Shall I say?
Yes, sure. Go ahead.
So at the end of round 4, the scores position. So team at the round 4 score, team A 10 points, team B 25 points, team C 30 points, and team D 15 points. Cumulative score at the end of round 4, team A 105 points, team B 30 points, team C 110 points, and team D 70 points. So give you a big round of applause.
You answered 2 questions and 1 wrong. That's why you have answered. So 3 questions are there, 1 wrong, so 20 minus 5, it's 15. No.
4 questions you answered. First question you got 5 points, second question 10 points, third question 10 points, and 1 minus 5. So minus 5 plus 5 95 okay. 2.
Yeah, 2.
10 minus 5. 20 minus 5, 50. Okay?
Total 3.
No, 3 only. 3 only.
3 questions.
Only 3 sets. So once again I am telling the scores position after the end of round 4. The cumulative scores. Team A 105 points, Team B 30 points, Team C 110 points, Team D 70 points. So this is the last round. Thank you.
So shall I go with the rapid fire now?
With team A, ना?
Yeah, with team A.
With team A.
It's for team A. Thank you very much.
थोड़ा ये माइक देखिए आपकी चल रही है पहले. आपकी चल रही है.
True, false, sir, is it audible?
Yes.
Hello.
बंद करना है ना सर? पहले इनका है.
आप बाकी बंद करेंगे.
बाकी तीन माइक बंद रखेंगे. वो बजट नहीं है.
ये वो है.
Shall I start?
60 सेकंड में वो बजाना है बस.
आप शुरू करो.
Start.
Area of brain which separates cerebrum from cerebellum is tentorium. True. Right. Declarative memory is the memory of motor skills, procedures, and rules.
Pass.
Parathyroid hormone leads to the excretion of phosphate ions into the filtrate. True. Right. Saliva production is controlled by GI hormones. True. It's wrong. Ventricles can develop their own rhythm in case of strong sympathetic stimulation. False. It's right. Glial cells in the nervous tissue are non-excitable. True. Right. Liddle syndrome involves increased sodium reabsorption from nephron. False. It's wrong. CNS, central nervous system ischemic response, decreases blood pressure in the body. False. Right. Most of the glucose is reabsorbed from tabular lumen through a paracellular pathway. False. Right. During normal quiet breathing, the ventral respiratory group of neurons remain inactive. Wrong. It's wrong. In 10 questions. Right?
Hello.
Last question was wrong. Yes. It was wrong. Yes, his last question was wrong. I think we will declare result at the end of this session.
Another team.
I will go with the team B, right? Shall I start? Regarding plasma membrane, potassium ion leak channels are leakier than sodium ion leak channels.
False.
It's wrong. Nerve impulses from ANS establish the fundamental rhythm in SA node.
False.
Right. Apparent arteriolar constriction first increases then decreases glomerular filtration rate.
False.
It's wrong. Dropped heartbeat on electrocardiogram is seen in third-degree heart block.
True.
It's false. Valerian degeneration is observed in nephrons.
False.
It's right. Process by which short-term memory is transformed into long-term memory is called consolidation.
True.
Right. Glucose rule relates body size to climate.
False.
It's right. Glucocorticoids have anti-insulinic effect.
False.
It's wrong. The receptors for having Brewer's reflex are located in lungs.
False.
It's wrong. Destruction of red bone marrow results in pernicious anemia.
True.
It is, false means wrong. Because it's aplastic anemia. Now the question will be for team C. Be ready?
What team?
True, false.
True, false, you have said. A greater preload on cardiac muscle fibers prior to contraction decreases their force of contraction.
Pass.
Pass. Brocau's speech area is located in occipital lobe of band.
Pass.
False or false?
Pass.
Vomiting results in metabolic alkalosis.
Pass.
Histamine increases gastric hydrogen secretion.
True.
Right. Cholecystokinin inhibits contraction of gallbladder.
False.
Right. In smooth muscles, T-tubules carry action potential deep into muscle fibers.
False.
Right. Total contribution of sodium potassium ATPase pump to membrane potential in a typical neuron is minus 90 millivolts.
True.
It's wrong. ST segment elevation in ECG represents myocardial infarction.
False.
It's wrong. Aspartate is an example of inhibitory transmitter.
False.
It's right. Transcellular part is the diffusion of solutes in between the cells. Your time is up. This is over. You have attempted only 9 questions.
Team D now.
So it will be for now. Team D, you ready?
Just wait.
Shall start? Okay.
Not for team B. Team D.
You are ready? Okay. Now the question will be for team D. You ready? Shall we start? Lower oxygen availability in blood stimulates baroreceptors to send impulses to cardiovascular center. Wrong. The function of growth hormone is decreased glucose uptake. True. Right. Hypersecretion of glucocorticoids and aldosterone causes Addison's disease. False. Right. Increased neutrophil number has diagnostic significance in viral infections. False. Right. Total lung capacity can be measured by spirometry. True. Right. Animals adapted to cold climate have relatively small surface area related to body mass. False. Wrong. Deoxycholic acid and lithocholic acid are synthesized by hepatocytes. True. Wrong. In cattle, photoperiod affects reproductive activity. False. Alveolar duct normally comes under respiratory. It is done. You have attempted only 8 questions. So this marks the end of the rapid fire round. Now it's up to the judges.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
What is the answer on the 8th question?
8th question. In cattle, photoperiod affects reproductive activity. No.
Not in cattle. It's not in cattle.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Boaz, for this rapid round. It was not me to have this rapid round to be realistic over here. It needs a right brain, a right age. So I am not of that age where we can have the chocolates now. I think we are too old to have those chocolates now. We will see, judges will wait for the final scores. I think we are done. It's okay. So we'll be now felicitating those. Is it so that we'll felicitate at this time or? Assalamu alaikum. Guys, it's Jammu chai ka bakchan yim te band karo shoot. Janab rekes bas tu tayar. Tu chno aksas mat. इसी वक्त ये करेंगे कि बाद में करेंगे भी देंगे कि बाद वैसे आराम से आप सर्विसेज को अनाउंस सभी करेंगे अनाउंस कर आप बोले सर आप अनाउंस कर लीजिए सर again, there is this humble request to all those chairmans, subtiers and co-chairmen of different sessions that they will make the recommendations and represent on this podium. हम ही करेंगे वो करेंगे? No, we have already given. नहीं, आप खुद ही कर दीजिए प्रेजेंट. ऐसे क्या है? बाद में हम देखेंगे. 2 मिनट आप ले लीजिए. इतने दूर से आए, थोड़ा सा पोडियम पे भी आ जाइए. अच्छी बात है. ठीक है ना? सबको वापस दे दीजिए भाई. वो खुद प्रेजेंट करेंगे. 2 पॉइंट्स, 3 पॉइंट्स ज्यादा लंबा चौड़ा नहीं चाहिए सर. ठीक है ना? Recommendation should be 1 or 2 points, not more than that.
Sir, now scores are ready. Sir, now scores scores are ready.
If they are ready, then it's okay.
The scores of round 5. Team A, 45 points. So give a big round of applause for all the teams. Team B, 10 points. And Team C, 30 points. Team D, 25 points. So now the cumulative scores are there according to the order. So Team B, 40 points. This is there at the end of all the rounds. Team B secured 4th place with 40 points. Team D, 95 points. Third position. And second position, 140 points by Team C. Then 150 points by Team A. Thank you.
So what has been now declared? Team A is A.
Team A is winner.
Team A is A. Okay,
Yeah,
is it
Team A
okay?
is A.
Yes. So this congratulations to Team A from North Zone. Very good. They have done very well.
So we have to congratulate all the teams because
ठीक है भाई, आप जो कर रहे हैं आप करिए ना, वो मैं नहीं कह रहा हूँ.
all the teams. This is the learning.
All the teams are winners because they put their wholeheartedly efforts. So all the teams are winner. Yes, it is there. Someone is first, someone is second, someone is third. But your efforts are heads up.
So I put in a very simple language. We say there's a very, a good saying that you don't see that success is what you achieve. It's not that you achieve something and then you say I am successful. No, it's never that. You see, success is always when you put everything. You put yourself, you put your all exercise. That's the success. Then whether you achieve something or not, that will probably be your fate again. So I think most of you have not been to the faculty of veterinary sciences. I don't know whether they will get to time to visit our faculty, which is some 10 kilometers over here. Again at the foothills, that faculty. So we have decided that we will play a documentary of our veterinary college, which will be of 5 minutes only. You can just enjoy that, and if you wish to go there, it's up to you. If not, at least you can have the glimpses of that surroundings and that college, which is beautifully placed around the foothills.
इतना विश्वास था तुम जो नहीं करता DSC में कोई तो नहीं करता है 4-5 साल तक.
SKUAST-Kashmir, University of Agricultural Sciences and Technology of Kashmir, popularly known as SKUAST-Kashmir, is one of the leading agricultural universities that caters to the need of agri-allied sector of northwestern Himalayas, falling under the UT of Kashmir and Ladakh. The university was established in year 1982 with a mission to have a well-versed teaching, research and extension organizations dedicated to the field of agricultural sciences in this part of the world. One of the constituent units of SKUAST-Kashmir is Faculty of Veterinary Sciences and Animal Husbandry. It was established in the year 1984, soon after the creation of the university, to augment the available technical human resource associated with the livestock sector and undertake the research challenges for a sustainable livestock development alongside its proper dissemination. The faculty is working hard to make its presence felt in all spheres of livestock development through a production of top quality human resource, working for technological development and conservation of animal resources. The Faculty of Veterinary Sciences and Animal Husbandry presently comprises of 19 discipline-wise divisions, including one big veterinary clinical complex. There are 2 animal farms, namely state-of-art dairy farm at its municipal campus in the form of Mountain Livestock Research Institute, MLRI, and Mountain Research Center for Sheep and Goat. The faculty also houses other centers and facilities on its 120-hectare lush green campus at Shuhama in the form of 83 state-of-art divisional laboratories, 10 IT-enabled smart classrooms, 1 big library complex, 2 modern central computer labs, 1 large complex dedicated as Students' Facility Center, 6 well-established hostels for the students, 1 faculty outreach center for extension activities, different species-specific farms, center for rabbit, poultry, duck, etc. 5 dedicated playing fields and other facilities supported the main administrative building at the buzzing live campus. In teaching, the faculty is offering residential instructions at undergraduate program, that is Bachelor of Veterinary Sciences and Animal Husbandry, BVSc and AH degree program, which is a 5.5-year program, including a 1-year rotational internship program. The selection of the candidates for the UG program is done via yearly held entrance test on the basis of merit, while Masters in Veterinary Science (MVSc) is offered in 19 disciplines and Doctorate degree program, that is PhD, is offered in 17 disciplines, which are a minimum of 2-year and 3-year duration programs, respectively, with a minimum of 1-year research period component as its core. The faculty has state-of-art laboratories equipped with all the latest equipments, including labs of Division of Animal Biotechnology, which have Animal Genomics Laboratory, Embryo Biotechnology Laboratory, Vaccine Biotechnology Laboratory, Veterinary Microbiology and Immunology, which has niche area of excellence in Anaerobic Bacteriology, Virology Laboratory, and Bacteriology Laboratory. At clinics, we have OPDs, Animal Operation Theatres, Clinical Pathology Laboratory, Stem Cell Laboratory, Mycoplasma Lab, Assisted Reproductive Technology Lab, Radiodiagnosis Lab, USG and Endoscopy Lab. SKUAST-K is ranked 6th best state agricultural university by Indian Council of Agricultural Research (ICAR) New Delhi. SKUAST-K got band excellent in utter innovation ranking of institutions by Ministry of Higher Education. SKUAST-K got the 2nd best award from ICAR New Delhi for getting maximum number of JRFs in AIEA Pre-G in the discipline of veterinary and fisheries science. Pashmina goat Noori was successfully cloned using hand-guided nuclear transfer technique at Faculty of Veterinary Sciences and Animal Husbandry. Vaccine developed against foot drop disease in sheep has a deep impact on sheep husbandry in this region. Introgression of FEGB gene in sheep was successfully achieved, raising the lambing ratio to 1.5, thus more crop of animals. penhole castration and Farsley's minimally invasive tube cystotomy technique in ruminants has been developed at the same Shohama campus. There has been a grant of patent from Patent Office in India for fabrication of innovative jerk hub to Professor Esewani et al. Has added one more feather to our cap. The Kashmiri urns, the indigenous breed recognized and characterized from SKUAST-Kashmir, adds to our list of achievement as well. The campus is only veterinary faculty to have Star College status and is also supported by National Agriculture Higher Educational Program of SKUAST-Kashmir is taking lead in implementation of National Educational Policy 2020. We are quite innovative in our approach and are planning to offer degree by design research programs for MBSc and PhD programs in sandwich mode with collaborations, MOUs with other leading institutions around the globe, certificate courses for skill upgradation of youths in various subsectors of livestock sciences, entrepreneurship development programs for the budding entrepreneurs. So come and join this prestigious institution for shaping your future.
I think we have taken you to the Shahama campus of Veterinary College. If not physically, at least virtually, and I can say emotionally. At least emotionally, we could connect you to the College of Veterinary Sciences, Shahama, Alston, some 10 kilometers from here. Before we break for the tea, it's my rather moral obligation to felicitate our jury over here with a small memento. So I will request Professor Rastogi sir to kindly come onto the dais and felicitate our jury here. वो सर वैलिडिटी होगी उसी पे दी जाएगी। वैलिडिटी जब होगी तो उसी पे वो अवार्ड सेरेमनी उसी वक्त हो जाएगी। रखेंगे यही है सर, रखेंगे कोई बात नहीं सर, रखेंगे तब तक हम चाय पियेंगे सर, जब तक वो यहाँ रखेंगे तब तक हम चाय पियेंगे। जल्दी से चाय।
Contestants have to sign this.
Contestants, so. Okay. Sir, चाय के लिए। अपना साइन कर दीजिए।
So kindly disperse for the tea break, okay?
So there is one request, please. There is one small request from, the jury that they want to have a photograph with these teams from 4 different, corners of the country. Please, the teams will come onto the dais and will have a photograph. And their mentors, their teachers, please come.
प्रोजेक्टर बंद कर दीजिए।
और सिर्फ ये प्रोजेक्ट